Roadmaps can feel like a no-win scenario, broken promises waiting to happen. And a lot of teams have stopped doing them. But then how do we talk about our direction, our strategy, our vision? Being agile shouldn't mean losing sight of what we're all working toward, of why we're here at all. I'm Bruce McCarthy, and I'm a product guy. My book, Product Roadmaps Relaunched, has become the how-to manual for doing roadmaps right, for making them into a strategic asset and not a liability. In this masterclass with Business of Software, we'll work together over 4 days to practice this approach. You'll have short videos and other homework to do to prep, so we can spend all of our time hands-on in small groups over Zoom. We'll start with a compelling product vision and then break down the customer problems and business objectives. We'll prioritize and get stakeholder buy-in. And in the end, you'll have a roadmap that communicates your strategy without making promises you can't keep. More importantly, you'll have new skills that you can put into practice right away for your roadmap. And I can't wait to see what you come up with.